Hey, what's up, YouTube? Are you guys ready for some heat? Well, I have some heat for you. This is not going to be your average jalapeno bombers. These bombers are going to be habanero bombers. All right. What you want to do is get you 1 pack of cream cheese, a cup and a half of water, 1/2 cup of cornstarch, cup of flour, a cup of cheese, your kind. What I'm using here is Mexican taco style. You can use whatever cheese you want. Cheddar is better, everybody knows that. A tablespoon of garlic powder, 1/3 teaspoon of baking powder. And once we get all the batter made, we're going to roll it in 1 cup breadcrumbs. So without further ado, let's get started. Yeah, you may want to have your cream cheese at room temperature. If it's not at room temperature, you can put it in the microwave for like 10 to 20 seconds.